Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door panel on a Honda Civic. And to start off, we're going to remove this window control unit. We're going to have to pry up on the front here using a plastic pry tool. And you can get sets of these for pretty cheap off Amazon, and I'll post a link in the description below where you can get those. So take the end of your plastic pry tool and get it between the window control unit and the door panel, and just start working the window control unit up. And when you get the window control unit popped loose, there's a wire plug that needs to come off. Just remove that by pushing the tab and pulling out. And then take a Phillips screwdriver and remove this screw. And then take your plastic pry tool again, and we're going to remove this cap by prying between it and the door frame. And over on the edge of the door panel, over by the speaker, there's a little lip that sticks out. Just take both hands and pull out on the bottom of the door panel. And then just work your way up the side of the door panel, pulling out on it. And then just work your way across the top. And once you get the door panel off, unplug the speaker by pushing on the tab and pulling out. And that's it guys, door panel's off. Thanks for watching.